Do you guys have relatives that come over that are really loud or maybe noisy neighbors? This will help you sleep through it. What's going on, guys? My name is Chris. I'm back with you with another unboxing and review video. This one is very small. We're going to get it out of the box. It's a white noise machine. They're calling it a white noise lamp as well. It does have a dimmable sleep aid light as well. Guys, this is the Gladle white noise lamp. Just like all my unboxing and review videos, in the description box below is going to be this exact same white noise lamp, white noise machine by Gladle. You guys in the UK, if they sell it in the UK, I will have you guys linked as well. If not, one very similar to it. It has a auto off timer. It actually has a headphone jack as well, 24 smoothing sounds, light memory function, and a dimmable sleep aid light. These are absolutely phenomenal if you have not tried a white noise machine as well. Babies have been doing it, parents have been doing it for their babies so they don't wake up their babies. I use it every single time that I'm in Colorado visiting my folks. It just helps staying asleep if family members are up grinding coffee early in the morning, etc. Trust me, once you start using it, if you have loud roommates, potentially noisy neighbors, maybe some early morning landscapers in the area, some leaf blowers that are always disturbing your sleep, police sirens, if you live in the city, you'll definitely want to give this a shot. This is like my #1 sleep hack for staying asleep, especially in the early morning hours if you sleep in. Let's get it out of the box, take it through the run. My friends, it's time for a nice fireside unboxing. All right, let's get this guy on out of here. We have our instruction manual right on the top. We're gonna reference that if we need to. Let's go ahead and pull this guy on out first with USB cable there, making sure that's it for the box. That looks like it. And I am corrected. I'm actually very glad that they switched over to the USB Type-C cable. So that's USB to USB Type-C. USB Type-C is getting very popular, Samsung devices, etc. So it's nice that they switched over to that. That means that it goes in any direction you particularly want, does not matter. That is a 3-foot cable. And let's get out the white noise machine, white noise lamp. Here's a couple additional specs if you are interested. The speaker power is 3 watt, the RA is 80, the LED power is 1 watt, and the input is DC 5 volt 1 amp. You have your on and off button right here, your headphone jack, USB Type-C input, and if I didn't mention it already, of course, this is battery powered with a 1800 milliamp polymer lithium battery. The LED lamp is now on, kind of messing around with the contrast of the camera, but looking really nice right off the bat there. Full charge time is going to be 3 hours and working time is going to be 6 hours if you are going off of battery only. There are 12 adjustable sound volumes. The color temperature of the lamp, you're going to range from 3000 K to 1600 K. You do have a 30, 60, or 90-minute timer on here as well. And to get to that, you would simply, and your control for that is right here. Pause and play and pause is right here. Volume up and down. Your sounds, your white noises, and your fan noises over here. We have, again, our LED light all the way around, our speaker on the bottom here, soft pad with your on and off switch here, like we saw. Now, once it is on, you go ahead and double tap for the LED light there, so that's really cool there. So if you're filling around, like let's say in the dark, you just go up north of the controls there and go ahead and double tap that and it turns off. Let's go ahead and hit play. Hopefully the microphone can pick that up. Kind of a jungle noise. I use it, let's go ahead and kick that down a little bit so it's not too loud. Again, many different adjustable levels there. So this is more mine. I like kind of the white noise or the fan. And the different kinds of fans. Again, 24 settings in total. We're just going to run through these pretty quick. Kind of an older one there, if you can pick that up. Let's go back to the white noise. So that's kind of a loop one. I'm going to put it up to the microphone. So you have the jungle. Ocean. Kind of a river. Train. Chimes. Kind of crickets in the country. thunderstorm. Kind of heavier rain. Or maybe even a crackling fire as well. I like that one. A clock ticking. Some more chimes. And then it starts back over once you hear that. Dun-dun-dun-dun. Let's go ahead and pause that. So once it is on, then you would hit your clock button for 30, 60, or 90 right there, and then it would auto shut off. Let's go ahead and kick that down. Very simple controls right here, guys. Again, double tapping that right there, because again, this is dimmable. So once the light is on, then we're gonna go ahead and hit the touch sensitive area again, but we're gonna long hold it down. Right now it's on the highest setting, and hopefully the camera can pick that up, but now it is dimming, and now it is all the way to the very bottom of the dimmable setting there. And then of course, if you wanted to raise it all the way back up, then you just hold it like I am there on the touch sensitive spot, and it raises all the way back up. Now, let's say you want to have the memory function of it right about there. Well, once it's off and I turn it back on, it's going to be at the exact same dimmable setting as when I used my finger to dim it. Now let's check out the amber light. Same function on the amber light as well, with dimmable or brightness as well. But that is kind of hard for the camera contrast to pick that up. But wait, I almost had it right there. It's a very orange light. It doesn't quite, okay, so it's more even oranger than this. Sorry, the contrast. See my hands, the reflection of my hands? Yeah, it's more about how it is right about there. It literally looks like an orange. The hue there we go, a little bit right there. So it's definitely not as light as it is here. It's a very amber color. There we go, right about there. And then you want to switch it over to the warm one. There you are, right there. So you can dim those, switch to 2 different lights, which is really nice as well. And here's kind of a side angle if you didn't notice that already. It sits flat and then it raises up just a little bit in the back with your speaker. I'm looking forward to getting a good night's sleep. I'll be back with you guys. And one last thing to mention before I do go get a nice restful sleep. I do wish that the company did provide a wall plug as well. I know we all have those lying around the house, but it would be nice if this included the wall plug as well. Well, guys, overall, the Gladle white noise lamp, white noise machine, super cool. We've seen all the features. Definitely check out the link below to read more about it. Pick one up yourself. If there's anything that I did not mention in the video, it will be in the link below. You guys in the UK, look for your link below as well. Hit that thumbs up button on your way out, guys. But just like all my unboxing and review videos, please don't go into debt for anything that I do review. And if you have the cash, then go ahead and purchase right away, guys. Subscribe on your way out as well. Again, those links are below. We'll see you on the next video. Take care. Bye-bye. Don't let the party stop, guys. Hit one of these videos. Continue to watch. We'll see you soon.